boost trading strategy with pocket option using the popular indicator, the Smart Trade version 2, which will dominate 1-minute trading with this Metatrader indicator. Eliminate bad trading signals and decisions using this indicator. What we need is to wait for trading signals. Coming from our Metatrader platform, we got our trading alerts. GBP CAD got 1-minute alert going up, then having consecutive. Odd CAD and Odd JPY also got buy alert. Let's check its actual pocket option chart, and let's see if it is recommendable to trade. The trend here goes down, and with high chance for trend reversal. Let's go trade with it. Odd CAD has potential uptrend spot. Let's trade for it going up. And with our GBP CAD, a reversal spot for reversal. Let's go trade up on this. We got 50-50 situation here, but this method will give you high win rate from 70% to 90%. Got no lose or win on that. Got good result for both AUD CAD and GBP CAD. In our strategy, we trade for 2 minutes, using Heikin Ashi 5 seconds candle. We got an alert from our Smart Trade indicator, a buy signal for 1 minute, and as we can see here, a good reversal point here, as our Smart Trade indicator suggests that this trend might go up for the next 1 minute to 2 minutes. Let's go trade up on this. Got down alert on GBP CAD. We suddenly double-click our trade due to lagginess. Make sure to have the best internet connection to get the best response from the pocket option server. It is best to have high return currencies to get the best profitable income in daily trades and get 80% and up trading return. See the rest of the video and don't forget to like and subscribe with us to get the latest trading strategies with pocket option and other trading brokers. Perfect trading strategy. perfect trading strategy.